How to log in to Walmart account. So if you want to log in to Walmart account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Walmart, and after searching here you will have www.walmart.com. You can click on that and then it will take you to the web page. Now to log into your Walmart account, you can go to the upper right corner which says sign in, and then click on sign in or create account. And now you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and after entering your email address you have to click on continue. And here you will have two options. You can either receive a verification code to your email address to log in, or you can also enter your password. So I'll be choosing password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. But if you remember it, then you can simply enter your password and then you have to click on sign in, which is on the bottom of your screen. And that's it. That's how you log into your Walmart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.